TV UG. Today is the 30th of June 2026. Live on Kiswahili TV Uganda. That's why we are. And thank you for following us on Kiswahili TV UG. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. Go to our YouTube channel, search the word Kiswahili TV UG. And then join us. Go to our TikTok, the same name of Kiswahili TV UG. You will see our icon there of Kiswahili TV UG. Subscribe, like, and follow us. Today I want to introduce you something that happened in Kenya, that happened in South Africa, where most of the Ugandans, most of the Ugandans abaliyo, they are stranded abu kusijirangu abiyechi bakweta homophobic attacks. Echi nchira kuba mu South Africa, abantu ba South Africa basakubambargayo makwata emihoro nebipanga batematema abantu abukubambarga umahanga aganda abugira niba creating ekintu kibakwita unemployment mwihanga lyawo. So mbargayo bekarakasa babinga abantu abukubambikara umihanga ejo abukuruga umahanga agandi. So echo nacho kiriyaho. Kandi mu South Africa itugambira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abasikwana orderinga Ministry of Internal Affairs kuja wa making sure abanya Uganda bona abali mwihanga lya South Africa babasikwana bargayo. Hata ikibuzo cyanje kira hanu kushanga alo abojo ababiri ni babaja mukutu bali mu South Africa no bajuma President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni like the dog nation. So now when we talk about ensonga nkezo hati okusanga uri kaliro ko muihange lindi mu South Africa ninga shina America no juma President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nishinga no shuma government ya Uganda kandi hati niko kiri bine kuye bakagalasa mu Uganda unless oyichirize ogumeyo ekirako biho kikubeho. So mu bintu binkubasa kwa nimba habula mu nekintu cyo kujangu utaka ayimera kuli kandi ukajuma umuntu kandi okubasa kwa no mwitaga umuntu ocha mwitaga kikwetaga kandi mujuma otyo. It is better galiko wa umuka obeno wa mujumera yaba nakwenda bintu yakushanga hata yogo moja bena abari ya TikTok aho bamwita on the dog nation kandi ari mwihanga lya South Africa hati najagalika mu Uganda nicho nacho kikaguzo. So abojo nkabo mugume mubanze mwimanyire imukuliga kandi obanzo manye cyo rukubaza abwenchi nuruga yoto notera abantu TikTokers zezo na mbeni muzurora makes Ugandans into the image of animals and you make these prominent leaders in the image of animals. Now when you come back to Uganda so echo ncho kiri mu ihanga lya South Africa itugambeje shaha abanya Uganda bona mbabaza kuba mbaligayo mbagarika mu ihanga lya Uganda bakwa bona nabaligayo mbagarika mu ihanga lyabo lya Uganda. Abanyuganda bona bari mahanga agahirukwe ga South Africa nje kubona ugaruka mu Uganda ka President Museveni kusima abo kurgayo kandi ukagamba uti abana bitu abali mu South Africa katubasindikire enyonyi yitu ejibombadi ya igendeyo yabatabare. Museveni, thank you so much President Kaguta Yoweri Museveni together with the security personnel mwebali kola ogumulimo kurango abanyuganda bitu bona balege mu South Africa bagake mu Uganda wensobela atelera baja kugalikayo. Sijaba ko abo basajabo bano babi muno, they are very bad. Bantu babi muno bemerokwe kandi bakola ebikolobero nkebyo ebikwasa kuba nibishisha izina lya umunya Uganda witu wa Uganda hano. Webale kola Kiswahili TV UG